Xinjiang, an amazing land full of rich culture. Before I had a lot of misconception about this beautiful place. But during this trip, I have discovered a new and colorful Xinjiang, what you have never seen before. Xinjiang is a land of celebration. The rhythm of the music will attract you to dance with locals, and within a moment, you will become their good friend. In Xinjiang, I've seen the happiness of the people. Here people love to enjoy their every single moment, where happiness is a mandatory element. From young to old age people, everyone celebrates their each single moments together with a face full of smile. Xinjiang is a land of unity. Different ethnic groups live here with peace and harmony. Enjoy the same moment together. What made Xinjiang more strong than any time in the history?